This tool is a complete game changer. If you've ever thought of starting a kid's YouTube channel, selling story videos, or even creating your own digital products for parents and teachers. Spoiler, you can literally turn simple ideas like a unicorn adventure or talking dinosaurs into full Cocomelon-style videos that kids love without touching an editing app or paying for expensive voiceovers. Hey creators, today we're diving into KidsTale AI, the platform built to make kids' story content in just a few clicks. From short rhymes and bedtime tales to full animated stories with narration, music, and subtitles, it does everything for you. No design skills needed, no monthly editing tools, no outsourcing. Just pick a story theme, choose your style, and in minutes, you have a ready-to-publish kids video for YouTube, TikTok, Insta, or even your own course or book launch. Let's go through its features. Here are the inbuilt features of the app, the main reasons behind the unreal hype. Have a look at them. Start a kids' YouTube channel, publish rhymes, fairy tales, or animated shorts, and grow ad revenue plus sponsorship opportunities. Sell ready-made videos. Offer custom kids' story videos on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to schools, parents, and educators. Create digital products. Package stories into ebooks, printable bundles, or video courses, and sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or KDP. Personalized storytelling. Make custom birthday or holiday stories for kids with their name and favorite characters. Agency opportunity. Offer kids video creation as a service to clients and scale into a full agency model. The bread-butter-like setup and working process is what is helping absolute beginners bag daily cash into their accounts. Have a look. Step 1. Log in and pick a story. Theme. Choose from fairy tales, rhymes, bedtime stories, animal adventures, or even create a custom theme. The dashboard has ready presets for short clips and full animated stories. Step 2. Enter your idea and let AI do the work. Type a simple prompt like a unicorn adventure or dinosaurs learning friendship, and KidsTale AI will build the entire script. Generate visuals, add narration, background music, and subtitles automatically. Step 3. Preview, download, and publish anywhere. Export your story in portrait, square, or landscape and share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even package it for clients and digital stores. With commercial rights included, every sale or view goes straight to you. The best part? The app is priced at just $16.97, a one-time payment, no monthly or yearly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. Is KidsTale AI the magic you had been searching for? If you want to enjoy content creation without the long hours of editing, KidsTale AI is made for you. You can turn simple ideas into ready-to-publish kids' story videos and earn by selling them to clients, parents, or educators, or by posting on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Everything runs on automation, so you just focus on the ideas and let the tool do the heavy lifting. But be alert, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.